Alright, here we go. We have the first iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we just got the new phone. You can see that's new. It's unpacked. I'm going to unpack and see. I'm going to see what's inside. So I'm quite excited. Let's have a look what's there in the phone, right? So it's the iPhone 13 Max Pro. Right, let's unpack it. So I'm going to unpack this one, right? So here we have the strips here. I'm going to remove it. Cool, nice. So it's unpacked and I have one more strips here at the bottom. So removed it and let's see, here we go. We have the phone. So as you can see inside the box, they have a small box area there. It's for the camera and you can see that's the new iPhone 13 Max Pro, right? Gonna just get it out, right? So we get the phone out, right, so my hands, and of course I have a small instructions and Apple logo and sticker, and Apple has covered it with a protective sheet here. I'm just gonna remove that. You can see done. So that's the new iPhone. So as you can see, it's quite nicely reflect, and so I can see my phone inside there, and it's nice. It's the black graphite one. Yeah. So you can see the port here. So it's just a standard Apple C port, and it's quite heavy compared to my previous phone. And what's inside the box is just only the charger cable. It doesn't have the power adapter. So all you have to do is you have to use your existing one, or you can just use it with your computer C port. So that's inside the box. All right, so let's turn on this one. I'm going to just turn on this. Let me turn it on. All right, I'm going to turn on the device. Right, it's powered on. So you can see it's just booting up, and all I have to do is I'm going to set up this with my existing phone. So I'm just going to transfer everything from here to this phone, right? So it's just a hello message in different language. I'm just going to slide up and then the language options, right? I'm on the phone now, right? So you can see I'm going to select English and select the region. Of course, by default it's Australia. It's selected for me and it's setting up. Quick start. So bring your iPhone or iPad near to this iPhone and to sign in and set up.